Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this meditation, we will be exploring the idea that we already have, inside of us, everything we need in order to grow. Putting aside any beliefs that we must acquire something new in order to evolve, we will discover the seeds of growth that are already present within us. To begin this practice, close your eyes as you come into a comfortable seated position. Straighten your spine and allow your hands to rest wherever they fall. Soften your brow and jaw, your shoulders and your belly, and any other parts of you that may be unnecessarily contracted. Imagine that you are melting into this present moment while still maintaining a straight, though relaxed spine. And then, let your attention land on the natural rhythm of your breath. There is nothing you need to seek in the breath, and no need to change it in any way. Simply become observant of its steady inward flow and outward flow. Notice the parts of the body that rise and fall with each breath cycle, letting these subtle movements rock you deeper into a restful state. Let the breath and its associated sensations be the focus of your attention as the mind begins to relax. If thoughts pull you away from this practice of presence, know that this is entirely natural. As soon as you observe any mental wanderings, gently and compassionately just redirect your attention back to the breath. Before we move further into this exploration, just take a few more silent moments to ground yourself through the breath's steady flow. Let's consider now the words of Rumi, 13th century poet and mystic. It is said that his translated words read, "Everything in the universe is within you. Ask all from yourself." His words are a reminder that whatever we seek that we do not think we already have is indeed already within us. Whether we long to embody greater peace, love, confidence, courage, or anything else, the qualities we seek are inside of us, even if only as seeds as of yet. Often when we consider personal development, we encounter a mindset that says we need to become more of something outside of ourselves. However, if we consider that what we truly long for is waiting to grow from within, we might instead take on a mindset that says what we need is to become more of who we are. Because whether it's focus, happiness, confidence, clarity, compassion, or any other virtue we feel called to develop, true growth begins within. We cannot attain any of those things as if they were material objects. We must instead find their seeds inside of ourselves and provide them with what they need to grow. This type of growth can take time and patience. But when we commit ourselves to growing from within, we develop strong and sturdy roots that will stand the test of time. Furthermore, believing in this notion of growth empowers us. It reaffirms that we are more capable of inspired transformation than we might have previously believed. To practice this, take a moment to come back into your body. Ground yourself through a couple of breaths, allowing each inhalation to create space within you, and each exhalation to soften any tension or resistance. Continue to take these expansive breaths as you consider any virtues or qualities you would like to develop or grow into. Again, this might be compassion, patience, courage, strength, confidence, equanimity, or anything else. Take your time to let just one quality take center stage in your awareness. Now imagine where the seed of this virtue is located within the body. For instance, compassion might have its seed in the heart, whereas the seed of courage might be in the belly. And once you've located where the seed of this quality rests, let your intention rest on this point of your body. Now, with each breath you take, imagine this seed growing. Imagine it expressing itself without inhibition. Continue to watch it grow, feeling the quality of this seed spreading throughout this area of your body, and perhaps even the entire body. Now take a moment to consider a positive affirmation for this quality. And once you have decided upon the affirmation that will help this quality to root itself within you, whisper it to yourself 3 times. Now spend just one more moment feeling the presence of this quality within you. And when you're ready to transition out of this practice, gently come back to the flow of your breath. Notice each ebb and flow that passes through you. And note also the solid earth that supports you. Bring a bit of light movement into your fingers and toes now. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.